What is up, everybody? Real estate investor Sav, you know who I am. We're in South Windsor at my legal conversion project, and today we're doing egress windows. So let's go see what is going on. All right, follow me. Breaking down the cement from this patch here, because you know we're digging egress. So there you go. South Windsor legal conversion in full flow. Nice. Getting in the dumpster here. Yup, this is what it's about, guys. Legal conversions is the way to go. It's coming to South Windsor and I'm bringing it to you. Here we just marked it out. So this is going to get dug up tonight. That's the lintels that are going to go hold the brick up. And we'll see how it goes. All right, keep following us. If you need some help in your South Windsor project or legal conversion project, you want somebody to take care of it for you, you want to enjoy that cash flow benefits, then DM me on this post. Or find me on all social media, Real Estate Investor Sav, one word, Real Estate Investor Sav, YouTube, IG, Facebook. All right, I'll let you guys later.